Hey, look at the little dots on the thing. Can't wait to get on the road again. I got my eyes on you.
I'm just gonna let you. No? Okay. Because you're gonna get a building.
Oh, sad face. Look at the pretty building.
Pretty building.
Prettiest building I've ever seen in my days of living.
I wonder who lives in that building.
Me too. Got a bunch of trees. Look at the trees. Look at this blank area. This is the ghetto fabulous area. And then look, there's McDonald's. Oh, we're driving up to McDonald's. Look at McDonald's almost. See the arch? There's McDonald's. There's the black clouds. And there's my grandma driving. Look, there's McDonald's. See?
I'm going to go park in the handicap spot.
Look at McDonald's.
Can you do it through here?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Let's not try it.
They usually mess up our order.
Yeah.
Look at McDonald's. Look at my shoe. Look at McDonald's. Play area. And bye-bye.